Good morning, students of class 6. I hope you all are all studying well. Macbeth I have done for you. Exercise A, B and C. I hope you all are learning it nicely. I hope you all are learning the word meanings well. Today I am here to do some exercise with you that is behind your Macbeth chapter. Okay. So please open page number 31 in your English literature book and let us come to the exercise vocabulary. This will help to improve your vocabulary. So take out your pencils, okay, and open to page number 31 and let us start this exercise. Okay. Now, vocabulary. Complete these sentences with the expressions from the box. So in this box, you can see some expressions that is given to you. Over here, see, no good, no chance, no need, no doubt. There are many expressions over here. We have to complete the sentence, this sentence we have to complete with the correct expression. Okay. Which expression will be correct? In the blank, we have to put that. Okay. So let us come to number 1. I have tried my best, but there is dash that I can help you in this matter. What will be the expression? I have tried my best, but there is no way. There is no way that I can help you in this matter. Clear? Number 2. Please take out your pencils and do it in the English literature book itself. Okay? Number 2, let us come to. We have dash. We need to submit the assignment tomorrow. We have no choice. We have no choice. We need to submit the assignment tomorrow. We have no choice. We have no choice. We have to submit the assignment tomorrow. Okay? We have no choice. We need to submit the assignment tomorrow. Number 3. Our team has not performed well. We have dash of winning the tournament now. Our team has not performed well. We have, what will it be? No chance. We have no chance. Okay. Our team has not performed well. We have no chance. Please fill in with no chance. We have no chance of winning the tournament now. Is it clear? Number 4. There is dash to worry. It is only a mild fever. What will it be? There is no need. There is no need. There is no need to worry. It is only a mild fever. Fill in with no need, students. Number 4, no need. Okay. Number 5, stay away from Vikram. He is up to, what will it be? No good. He is up to no good. Okay. He is up to no good. So the expression that we fill over here is no good. Stay away from Vikram. He is up to no good. Number 6. It is dash complaining. They will not bother to answer your letter. It is no use. It is no use complaining. They will not bother to answer your letter. So, number 6 is no use. Okay. It is no use complaining. They will not bother to answer your letter. So till 6 I have done for you. Please see it and I hope it is clear to you the answers. Number 1 is no way. Number 2, no choice. Number 3, no chance. Number 4, no need. Number 5, no good. Number 6, no use. So till 6 I have done for you. 7 and 8. You will do it in your English literature book itself, by yourself, as homework. I hope it is clear to you, students. Okay. Thank you, students, and God bless. We will continue the other exercises in the next class.